Hey, we are going to be using our free Super Grok, right, to create lawn tennis action. Now, you're going to actually see Serena Williams and I on the lawn tennis court. Are you excited? Go ahead and give a like to this video and don't forget to subscribe. Now, I had already created a fusion, an image that shows myself and Serena Williams, and we're going to be using that for what we are going to be doing. Now, of course, on ChatGPT, I've asked it to give me image prompts and video prompts, right? So I had earlier created an image which we're going to be using as a reference, right? So I'm going to show you that. Let's move over very, very quickly to Super Grok. But before then, I'm going to first of all, since I already have a reference image I have created, and you can always do that by combining pictures and telling it what you want to do. But so that we don't waste our time, we will just quickly move over. So let me just, oh no, we want to have a quick one, this particular one here. So I'm just going to use that to see whether I can create some extra images, right, and also animate it. And that's the beauty of Grok. So let's quickly do that. We don't want to waste any time. Okay, so copy that. So we're currently on Grok right now, and I am going to use a reference image that I have already created earlier, and I'm just going to take it inside of the Imagine section, and I'm going to upload it. You can see you can animate photos, and I will just click on animate, and I'm going to give it a custom. Now, I want it to give me like a 10 seconds, video. So I already have an image here, and I am just going to just put in my prompt. But first of all, let me try and make sure that all that I need is already done. So we want it to be 10 seconds. You can change, make it 6 seconds or 10 seconds. Okay, you can make it 480p or 720p. And I think we have already selected our resolution. So let's go ahead and see what that will give us. So then we'll paste in. This time around it's going to be, let's make sure that we pick our video prompt. Don't forget we have image prompt and we also have video prompt. You can tell ChatGPT to do all of this for you. So we have our video prompt here. So we're just going to quickly pick that. So let's see what it's going to give us in Grok Imagine. So let's copy that and let's go back to Grok. And then, oh, has it disappeared? Okay, so we have to take that up again. Let's put that in here, click it there, and then our video prompt. Let's see what it's going to do. So it's already generating, and let's wait for it. Okay, so oh, awesome, that looks good, wow, I love this, oh my god, interesting. So let me just put that up and let's quickly download this, right? This is 10 seconds. Don't forget you have your reference image and you have your video prompt, okay? And putting all of them together will create this beautiful video. Yeah, so this is the video. Wow. Beautiful. So right now I'm going to go over and pick the second and third scene and also do this. Let's go and see how that is done. So let's pick the second prompt, right? So we need to do that scene 2. This is a video prompt, right? So we're going to look for a frame that we like here. We'll choose one of the frames here, because what we're trying to do is to get it to, let me see. Okay, so look at this now. This is a frame that we can use. You want to see the gameplay going on, because we've already created the base. So we'll click on that and then we'll screenshot this or use this as the frame of reference, right? So we've gone in here to pick out the frame that we want to use to continue this, okay? Right now I've already gone to crop out that frame I'm going to use. Let's go out and then upload it. So that's what we're going to animate right now using that video prompt. So this is that frame, and then we're going to put that in here and see what it's going to give us. So the reason why we actually took that frame was to give it a continuity. Now remember, this is a video. We have the grand entrance, and then we're going to have the high point, and then we'll have the third, scene. So just to give it some form of continuity. Okay, so it's done now. Let's see what we will get. Okay, it's already looking like something I would like, so I will just go ahead and download it. It's nice, but I think I want to generate it. Yeah, so I'll go ahead and generate it. You can see it's not bad, but I think I still want to fine tune it, and that's the beauty of Grok, right? You can actually fine tune it. I'll go back, reprompt it, fine tune it till I get it. So I'll be back with the finished product. Okay, I think I like this one better. Okay, I think I will use this one instead. I mean, this is AI, so something more. Let's see how this one looks like. I think I like it, even though the balls are split into two. Well, that's AI for you, but it's still something that I would prefer than the other one. So let's let it go. Let it go, let it go, let it go. So I'm okay with this one, and I'll use that and I'll download it. First of all, let's go and see what it says for the third prompt. It says here, celebration scene at the center court. Okay, all right, interesting. I like that. Says, and then cut to Serena Williams applauding respectfully. All right, it's cool. It's cool. It's cool. Let's just copy that. Let's copy it, and let's go ahead and see which ones have downloaded. So I'm just going to look for the frame that I want to use here. Okay, let me see that. Choose this one for now. I will still put the other reference image so that we can have the two at the same time, because now what we want to do now is we want to have, good, I think I've gotten that. Let me just take note of that, and I'm also going to use the other reference image. So let's quickly do this and see how. So quickly, so this is it, and this is my picture. Let's see what it's going to give us. It says tap images to reference them. So okay, all right, so I'm going to use that to reference that. That's interesting. So this is my prompt, image 2. So let's see what that's going to give us. Okay, this looks good. Wow, I love it. I love it. Absolutely love it. Now, I want you to look at the prompt. Look at the prompt. The whole idea is that you want to upload images. The one that you want to upload as the beginning end frame is this one that we put here, the first one here. Then I uploaded my picture. I uploaded Serena Williams's AI picture. And in the body of the message or the prompt, I inserted, the image. It says tap on that image to reference it. So I put it in the middle of the discussion. So you see where it says celebration scene at the center court. I put image 1. So that shows that that's where they should start from. The second one, which is me, which says you, I put at image 2, which is the second image here. And I also made mention of where Serena Williams was supposed to be. You can see that. So Serena Williams, I might put at image 3, which is here. So this is how you prompt it so that you can get it to actually align. So if you take a good look at this video, you will see it. You will see that it is showing Serena Williams here. It is showing me at the beginning, and then towards the end, it is showing me carrying, the trophy. That's the concept. You need to make sure that you target appropriately. So let's go put every single thing together. So let's take a watch on this. Wow. Love it already. I'm gonna edit some stuff out of it. You see, actually, wow, see that AI in action. This was the very first one I finished. That's not the one I'm going to use. Let me delete that. Yeah, so we need the proper second one. I just wanted to show you the difference between that and this next one. Let me edit that part out and cut that part where it's showing us as double, because you have to make sure it's as real as possible. I'm going to take that part out. It just shows how working, and I'll make it fade. Yes, I'll cut that part out of it so that it just goes from here. I'll make it fade. I'm going to make that part fade. So we're editing it right now using editing magic to bring it alive. I'm just going to make that fade out. Good. So fade out. Yeah, now look at this. So this is how you do it in Inkscape. See how you put it into the next one. Yeah. I don't know why it that's the video of it. Wow. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So we'll just export it. Now, if you want to color grade this and make it sharper, which I actually love to do, I want to increase the richness of the color. You just have to come here and click on filter. You can click on effect or filter, and then click on, I have a particular configuration that I use. So once I do that, you can see that the color will be so different. We'll just use a configuration and combining that with sharpness, right? You can see that it will now, you can see how this color pops. That's beautiful. I love it. The color pops. It looks really lovely. And I mean, just look at it. This is probably going to be my, this is probably going to be my thumbnail. Yeah, it's so nice. Where we have Serena Williams and myself, AI Serena Williams and AI Henrietta coming onto the pitch. Beautiful. So next up is that we just export, right? 1080p, can you see it's not even that much, 50 MB, and then we are done. I hope you enjoyed every bit of this, practical class. You'll see how this turns out. I'm going to put it at the end of this video. Make sure you watch it. And I'm going to post it into the places where it's supposed to go. So don't forget that Super Grok is just only available for 3 days, okay? After that, you'll probably have to open another account or go look for something that will give you more sustainable free credits. And if you want to get that, the link is in my description. You'll be able to get access to this app that gives you unlimited credits. Of course, you're going to pay with your eyes, pay with attention by watching an ad. And I've already explained how you do this in a previous video. I'll link it in the description so that you can actually watch and know how to use that platform really well. Thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.
Well done, Henrietta. You win this time, but we'll meet next time. Sure, Serena, get ready to be beaten.